Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2014 Chevrolet Silverado LTZ. This vehicle comes in black metallic paint with the Z71 package and our chrome alloy rims. We also have our front and rear privacy tint with rain guards, chrome front and rear bumpers, as well as our blacked out Chevrolet emblems, gray leather interior seating, and heating and air conditioning seats. Now moving on to the interior of this Silverado, we'll take a look at the door panel, which features our black soft touch foam and gray leather. We also have our padded leather armrest, our memory seat option above our chrome door handle, and we have our close handle, rear window locks and child locks, automatic power windows for front and rear, and then our mirror adjustment with joystick just in front. Below we have our speaker and storage, and on the side of the seat we have our power seat controls with lumbar support. Off to the left of the steering wheel, we have our cubby, as well as four-wheel drive controls, and our interior dimmer switch with daytime running lights. Our gauge cluster with screen in the middle. You can see little faces behind that as part of this truck's unique look, which I'll show more of on the infotainment screen section. We have our steering wheel, which features cruise control off to the left, and controls for the odometer are off to the right. Steering wheel is also wrapped in black leather with gray stitching. Trailering option, manual shift on the gear select column. And we have our infotainment screen, which again we can see the little faces throughout. We also have our audio, which again looks very unique with the speech bubbles, the phone option, our navigation, and then we have our settings, each with their own personality, I guess. And then we also have below our station presets, and built in, of course, is our backup camera with adaptive guidelines. Below that we have our radio controls, dual zone climate controls with screens in the middle, as well as our fan speed controls, heated and air conditioned seats for driver and passenger, as well as our traction control, truck bed lighting, and hill descent assist. Under that we have our 3 USB ports, as well as 2 12-volt charging ports, and our 3-prong household outlet. We also have a storage center, or storage in the center area I should say, with our 2 cup holders that we can move, padded leather center console lid with phone holder, and inside we have plenty of storage room with 2 USBs, an SD card slot, and auxiliary input, opposite a 12-volt charging port. So up front we have 3 12-volt charging ports and 5 USBs. The front seats are featured in a gray leather with perforated leather in the lower portion. Again, these are heated and air conditioned cooled seats. On the rear view mirror we have our OnStar controls. Above that we have our dome lights and dome light settings, 3 garage door openers, rear sliding window controls, and our sunglass holder. Now moving on to the exterior, we can take a closer look at our chrome alloy rims with Chevrolet badge sensor caps. We also have our chrome running boards, Silverado featured in chrome mirror caps and door handles, that front and rear privacy tints with rain guards. You can also see our fin antenna up top. Around in the back we have our Z71 badging, chrome rear bumper with Silverado LTZ badging, as well as our blacked out Chevrolet emblem and soft tonneau cover. Now moving on to the rear interior of the Silverado, we'll take a look at the rear door panel, which also features our chrome door handle, our black and gray trim, as well as our window switch, speaker and storage underneath. And back of the front seats we have our speakers, as well as our leather magazine holders. Back of the center console area we have storage, as well as a 12-volt charging port. And the rear seats are featured in gray leather with perforated leather. We have our fold-out center seat, which features 2 cup holders. And as we just saw on the outside, we do have a pretty dark rear privacy tint on the back 3 windows, but as you can see on the inside, still has plenty of light through, while creating a bit more of a private feel. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around the 2014 Chevrolet Silverado. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos.